Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet Take?
EC meeting as in show. Share and run me tisa meeting as in a mania tete. Na me see a fema magana dana. Because no crassa, Dr. Koboy, no crassa or Ghana ha. Say nipa can no cra or Ghana ha panana. Sa new voters register debate, and run a was a ending. Because if one can say more kaya no. Say what dogana pan a open no cra. Ube who say Sebi, the omo person mo yani mo mo kwanya omo dio how kese ne ba beto my ways. Mo se mo person mo to register ya ye way to twene na mo ye register for na nya sa no mo ka. And a Dr. Hassan Ayariga on the PNC APC or that APC for no. Ebisa direct question, simple question. O se easy for current biometric register na ye won na mo se mo person mo to twene no. Mi bisamu, is it credible or not? Sa register no ehute edimu eye papa ana enye papa. Simple question ana. Question wait for 30 minutes. Ye mami Jimensa din. Ye papa boss manasare din. ECIT consultant ojina ne nanso ohu di onka o de wada. Beating about the bush. Oh, the biometric voter management system has problems. Yes, any biometric voters management system as I'm yeka. Infidie nko and a data nko. Infidie nko and a register nko. Usi infidie na say ya ho hwe nye ye nkoto for no problem. Na data no register na nkasa no. Problem be na wo ho ka kire yen. Obugina ho. O might me answer sa question no. So number 1 enra. Our position say Ghana ye new register because the ye what that no ehun ti edimu it is credible ye betimi dia to aba in 2020 ayo mampanyi eno an ye di John Mahama in 2012 BBNC eno an ye di President Akufo-Addo in 2016 o we by ono na say over 1 million votes BBNC eno an anansi ye dia to aba yi assembly members across the country BBNC and what see a dimu. So as I didn't say young crano protocol say when something is not broken, you don't fix it. Sa position and now we were vindicated. Because easy for over 2 hours presentation, Kasa Bebreba Moka Yeni Nano, or be anywhere Timika as a register no any papa. Nobody. We asked them a direct question they couldn't answer. Now where you go this ankomowi, and you not tromwa. Near you go this ankomowi. Now number 2, bombshell is see one. Easy for conveniently, or man can want them in their statement. Say chairman of Oswampo for NDC, a chairman of original. And also, most of a new register. Most of my timelines, move fitia say, and BB April, say 18th April, say, me one and me. And a chairman of Oswampo for say, you see a better one, my new register now. Pay more timeline. No, da ben a mube ye, amayanya final register. When will a final register be ready? Simple question. When will a final register be ready? Maza, ECIT consultant Nijina announced and I say the final register will be ready per our timetable on the 8th of November 2020. 8th of November. Dr. Koboy, you are very objective. You are by far one of the people I respect because of your objectivity. Oh yeah. MP.
I said register, but final
register. Say easy for yes, your money register. We be 8th November. It's hey. I said, no person with the bagane.
Final register does it mean 8th November? No, it doesn't mean like it doesn't mean that.
The bizarre question: when will the final register be ready? Almost 8th November.
Okay. Anyway, go on.
Omona through Atik Muhammad, Miami, I know I'm Tenenka was Empire FM, and somebody sent a message, not through him. I'm sorry for that. But somebody sent a message, say, almost 8th November, no check register number political party. It is a lie. For some of when Mr. Question said that a political party, he been register. Or be someone said that ben a final register because register no trade in here. We the duplication, adjudication. Now why generate provisional register? Now why exhibition? After exhibition, what dealing with all the problems about page register? Now if we generate final register. And son, what about distribute to my political parties?
Good.
The question was that ben a final register be ready. It's the 8th November. Less than a month to December 7th. I bet to Yaba. When you say, hey, Jimensa oni nyankopon ye pa na. Are you God? Do you control the elements of nature?
No, but what is the problem with the 8th November?
I will tell you that because Nana, yen Ghana card. And I for man cause somebody 1 year betray Ghana for age na edi. Ni amo musika de omo wo bia omo wo ma your timetable. 1 year na so nipa dodo so no matchro mu di 7.3 million. Because ye nipa ye yetimi ye nhyehyeye na bibia bebom. Yetimi ye nhyehyeye na akwansi bia ye den aba. In exercises like this, there are always known unknowns. There are always, operational challenges. FDA now they call registration. No, Nana, FDA intimi say. Registration in communities. And so betting to nature. Bibi betting sia. 43 days now, and then also the bet training past 17 million dino. There will be need for you to extend it maybe by 1 or 2 weeks. Dr. Kobo and see the extension, even exhibition krano. It me say when we see long queues, we do extensions. It is so close to election like this, less than 1 month, and a register be ready. This thing Gabi Ochedaku even said it. Or your Facebook post can say the issue of lack of time there. See the before you naka, easy phone to me explain here. And now our fears were exacerbated. Diana ya dream say ebe see because the many works. Ya be ya nyama preka. Nancy in 2019 we register we.
Sammy Pajameba before 2019 no. 8th November now can. Me person me who the problem with the 8th November.
The problem number 1 is say in case of operational challenges, in case of unanticipated events which may call for extension of either the registration process or the exhibition process, we will run into crisis because by law, I was saying we did final register number political parties 21 clear days to the elections. Now you have only 1 week. And they say if there is need for extension of either registration or exhibition by even 1 week or more, we are going to run into challenges. What they are not so quite on China. Young fan said there will not be any extension if no mube. Who generated final register new year? Meanwhile, in fact, at exhibition, we need to be raising protest, complaints near the other. After exhibition, issues go court through adjudication. In our bid to purge the register and send your final register, meaning not take it time.
Are you in any way suggesting
when would the political parties, presidential candidates, parliamentary candidates, when would they file? Only final register. Momo say you file October, say November. Also final register be ready 8th December. It means that at the time they will even be filing. Now we need final register.
So my question is, the OGD say electoral commission now onu na ebe yusu mfidie no. Onu na obe recruit nipa odo ombe churudin. Obe move nkofo de omako nooks and cranny of the country. Yeah. Sa unforeseen circumstances ni ade a o kan nyina no. On factor into his planning, and that his planning is a straight jacket thing. Is that what you are saying?
Yes, sir. Electoral commission yeah on ebe recruit nipa. Aya dia wo kan nyina no. Ono na 2019. O ka kire me no mienu say or the online systems are one a district office and a be limited registration. Na the IT experts ne nimpanyufo nyina say possible. And a General Mosquito ne Sami Jemfia na ubisa your question ye ka kire mo say masa emfa enye yie. Some online system na yam ton of reja penso say ye de be train nipa dodo din. E for that registration nipa ba ko mienu. Mo de ko ye dodo registration a asembe ba o mantie. Ye call ye no. Ye kan ye ne see there was chaos, the system crashed. They na ye kan almost your muntie no no mo be end up accepting. Then there was a catcher. There was a catcher say ECO ye mistake. Say NIA for so no more workers nyina ye timetable say the 1 year betre Ghana for nyina din factoring everything in I mean into question near there omo factor bibia e wo omo plans mu and yet afiaso 7.3 million Ghanaians spend actually mu din I should let you know say ubetimi propose ubetimi aye won hyehyɛ ubetimi your timetable. But say mu no another thing. So just like they failed in 2019, Elembele nipa 5,000 ye kwa exhibition no mudi ni register mu. If you constituency, omo no register card nipa 3,000 mudi ni. They can fail again.
Nipa say na no mudi ni register.
5,000 Elembele.
Register ya who ye.
Yes.
Nipa
based 5, on 2019 limited registration ye no. 5,000 no mo kwa nkasa dia to menro they were citing it as justification for a new register. If you constituency 3,000 So to let you know the easy for nyame omutimi yan fonso.
It is omudin ni sa nipa ni din ni register. Man it means that they also say the kokoto abasa nkoko no omudin mamu.
Omudin ni register omukita card. What you do is that you protest or file complaint. Omo lawyer Dr. Ine Trema EC. These are the people omo register omo card ni. If you don't restore their names, we will sue the EC. The names have been restored. They've written back to Dr. Ine say you restore omunyina omudin. Matter close enye nti na was you to register ni nyina to twen koye foforo. So the issue of time CD dia rezi CSOs bear 40 nyina rezi ye nyina ye ka no eno a if once omo de buy ye say final register be ready 8th November no eno kra dia yem hihia abamo la technical issues bi omo rezi here emrenti ye ntimi exhaust those technical issues nana wokra wonim computer musa menim say won share the nim computer musa wokra wo tin sem ni bia
is it because me kwala ni computer
you school akọ na nti say Dr. Okuboy mo wokọ sa school we did computer ni ba wokra no ti bia besere nana tie mi ha o isi for buy almost say I was here register because STL for na ye ni omo ye adwuma no o mama ye letters o mu fidie no ne mere twem ti say ya anto fidie na anto antwere anto fofra ifidie ni say a ehwo nyema kra no nana enya de a yebenya enti based on the old vendor na ka kire enko enti no I was here to ifidie no to twene na yekoto infidi foforo na ye new register and you say okay nyame a won pe bone omo last press conference omo ye na nse nana omo ko tu sa letter no letter ne de omo so omo ma ye bi o ye bisa omo ma ye sa ST for letter ni bi Dr. Okuboy tie but letter ni mu asem no omo ko tu ye e de ye omo press conference
omo say
na mekan de ye wo ho e de a kirew nana STF one ka say infidie no ye end of life aye dada enti munko ye new register tie de omo kan we easy for omo say in the said letter from HSB partners of STL dated 18th May 2018 they stated as follows quote we would like to announce that the items in the present BVRs are end of life including laptops. This means that no components are available to repair the items for purposes of availability, maintainability, and compatibility in the future. We recommend to purchase new BVRs. We recommend that you purchase new BVRs. If and a woman said STL force in Fidie na yedada, enti yen compile new register. New BVRs 2013 is year no man kasa jatu so muto bi 2013 no ye to register ni na to twene kwa ye foforo se Fidie yedada na ye se koton mo no a u data na e wa Fidie no so no to twene kwa ye foforo. So if you are using the STL letter to you as basis for a new register, what sounds why the true? Because it can never, by any stretch of imagination, form the basis of a new register. What they told you, it can at best form the basis for the replacement of your equipment with new equipment. But someone can say, if you are that, then you new register. Then, Enra, I say, oh, system na yedi yajumakrano. Source code be in my main can do be a better say, say password. That's no. STL for no more my no, omo password call. Na TSA na adwo na asem we o enti ye ni password the right word is source code enti ye ntimi access system no enti omanya ye de ye ho na isi so de ne ho adenti na wose de bia no ye dependent on a private company ansa na ye de nya source code nana asem na ye bie mu bie bisa ye won say STL contract no end in 2018 obi anyway isi fu ankasa agiatum 2018 their contract came to an end. But 2019 yeah registration, yeah deduplication, yeah adjudication, yeah provisional register, yeah exhibition, yeah final register, yeah assembly elections. We went through the full functionality of our biometric voter management system. Na STF ni Ghana no money easy ni apam o ma anya adwuma ma easy obi a wo se woni code as a source code e ye den na mutimi yes anya mani nyina. Because there is no way only source code only access to emra ye ko register 2011 Dr. Okuboy de nsa ko sisi afidie ne so no afidie ni twa ne satia fingerprints ni picture was stored in a form of templates and it say nay Dr. Okuboy ko train din biemu a during deduplication no ye be chene say image pictures of a fingerprint you're processing into template is already in the system. Enti dia wo dia san ba bia bi say wo de ba be register na ne ye painting na ne ye duplication. Enti ye yi ba ko afiri no ne ye friend duplication. Dr. Kobo but what you say? So if you don't have access to the old images, how did you do deduplication and adjudication in 2019? And Tronkwa. In any case, STF no omu adwane afiri asase so an omayira omu ni wiase. Ayenti mi hwehwe omu nye password. STF wa ye kom wasem na omu wo Ghana mprempren ame no kase omu ne na nado aban His Excellency President Akufo-Addo man penya ban ye adwuma. They are working for Bank of Ghana, they are working for Ghana Commercial Bank. Enti se omaye bibia maye ye tu omu ka omu adwuma ba na wie ye ade na be ye dia na ehu code wo omu nchen a ye ntimi nje ya de enu nti ya mo kan ko ye register foforo
ma me misa foforo na no mo fi ha no pay same numzio mesa ba
oh me na me de manu si be sure just 2 minutes
si da be unya 2 benya 1
okay 1 me da say Nana, any facial recognition. So some be facial recognition. I can be just 2 points. I'm the manual see. Facial recognition as another layer of authentication. And Mr. Griffiths, NDC IT director. Nana Nesru, you be so almost say. We are seeing na Dr. Oku. Utieme. We are seeing na montre a country ba ko pa where you use facial recognition as a system of authentication in elections. Nana, do you know? I didn't know this until yesterday. Say in the whole world, country where you use facial recognition, Somalia. Somalia, world-town Somalia.
What is the problem about it?
Only president on 400,000.
What is the problem about it?
MPs impo ya busu paying for clans for the you can say MPs. Yeah, po obi akosua na Somalia. Adia na nya papa obi anyusu. Then na woni bibi. Final point. Almost your software na ye de adwuma no your friend no Red Hat Linux software 5.8 Red Hat obi a wutie mi bia wutimi twere Red RED Hat HAT Linux LINUX 5.8 software in use IT consultant medical doctor na was in any IT mo no o say software na ye outdated enti was ye to twene kwa na ye call Google eni ye call BA software ye BA software no one sem software no ye no 2012 na e wo say company na oye software no o provide support for the software for 10 years and the software ni be twemu support services for the software only after 2022 and you see there na software about 2012 enya 10 years na mre so ye na wo say na mre twam ye ntontwere ye bisa question we onim de okan or say oh man can say obsolete strictly speaking no me say subject to vulnerability yes yeah why your press conference I can't tell you are saying say the software is outdated, they cannot even be upgraded. Now we are proving to you that the software is only 7 years old, they are 10 years. I mean 6 years old. Oh, they are not on chance. Software is a newer version. And yet Red Hat Linux 8.1 which can be upgraded, which means it can be upgraded. I don't know we can contemposa. Did you reach say into Suyeba say meeting now for enough time and opportunity to deal with the technical issues. Technical experts couldn't get ample time to make their case. Dr. Farijan in 2011 or a technical committee made up of IT reps of all political parties. Any EC IT experts kaiti boom to adwene biometric register. Penny forces here number no susu mafidia ya number no su na hwe. Say na mo se yantontwene a aden ye nya arrangement bisa na IT experts ni nyina nkono bia nkokere wo madwen because they are medical doctor kum IT expert KD.
Must you always say
men na ya okese kra ne Dr. Okobo ye kayeti bomu a ye ya de che ni bebre.
Same jam fi me da se same jam
Peace FM 104.3 Good to meet you.